marked exams. It's taken too long. And now this issue of P1 teachers, Mr. Speaker, is an issue that is affecting most of our counties. I think TSC should take charge and resolve these issues. Mr. Speaker, I was just discussing with my colleague here, Senator Mtata, on the matter of implementation of the resolutions of this petition. We have had so many issues touching on teachers, which have been processed either in the National Assembly or here. But the TSC has had nothing, it has seen nothing, and it has not acted. I know in the National Assembly, Mr. Speaker, they passed a motion against the delocalization policy. Mr. Speaker, I can say that up to now, the TSC has not moved in to resolve that problem of delocalization. And even this, Mr. Speaker, I am sure TSC will not move in with speed to deal with this problem of non-payment to the P1 teachers. I think something has to be done. I know TSC keeps on saying there are independent commission, but this House, Mr. Speaker, has the powers to deal with matters concerning the people of Kenya. And one of it is issues touching on teachers. So the TSC CEO, Madam Nancy Macharia, he's so powerful, Mr. Speaker, that you can even go to his office and he decides not to see you. We have gone there so many times. You sit in the waiting room for hours, and she cannot see you, and then eventually she sends the PA to come and see you. Mr. Speaker, it is a high time that this country gets rid of state officers who behave larger than life, like Nancy Macharia. Mr. Speaker, I support.